Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the NAIPO Shiatsu back and neck massager. Yeah, deep kneading massage cushion with head height adjustable back massager for pain and stress relief. It's a massage chair pad for home office, and nearly every furniture is possible to use that NAIPO Shiatsu back and neck massager. Really easy, as you can see. You can attach it on nearly all furnitures, like sofas, chairs, on the bottom, on the floor, for example, too. No problem with that brand new version of a neck massager. Oh, this is awesome and so delicious for our back. A full back massager experience. The massager chair provide a deeply relaxing massage experience with massage notes travel along the contours of the neck, shoulders and full back to replicate the experience of shiatsu kneading massage. Reduce spine and support lumbar by ergonomic design. Oh, shiatsu. That sounds great, isn't it? Shiatsu is a form of Japanese bodywork based on concept in traditional Chinese medicine, such as the use of qi meridians. Shiatsu derives from a Japanese massage modality called anma. There is no good evidence that shiatsu is an effective medical treatment, but if it works, this works. If you can try it and it's good for your health status, then it works for yourself. So it maybe works, but it makes a relaxing process, and it will help your body to feel a better health status. In the Japanese language, shiatsu means finger pressure. Shiatsu techniques include the massage with fingers, thumbs, feet, and palms, acupressure, assisted stretching, and joint manipulations and mobilization. To examine a patient, a shiatsu practitioner uses palpation and sometimes pulse diagnosis. And in this case here, it comes all together. You have the massager in the backside of yourself, and it will massage your pain away, and of course your stress. It is a stress-free moment if you sit on the NAIPO Shiatsu back and neck massager. This will give you a deep kneading massage. Oh yeah, with the points where you can have a better health status. And you have an adjustable neck massager suitable for different heights. 3D dual massage mechanism and height adjustment function ensure the comfort for different heights. Adjust the head pillow and enjoy a deep and comfy massage no matter how tall we are and which part we want to target at. Shiatsu back and neck massager with heat. Infrared heating technology allows the cushion to heat up at a constant temperature of 113 degrees Fahrenheit. So we can enjoy a massage while heating or simply heating during the freezing days. You can see it's a multifunction tool, and we control the settings conveniently. Access all of the massage functions by using the buttons on the controller and find the setting perfectly suited to our needs. Setting our favorite massage mode with simple operation. And It's space saving, portable, and easy to affix to. Portable and lightweight. Take it anywhere to have a full back massage, and it is also equipped with a handy strapping system. Easily affix it to our office, computer, home, chairs to optimize our massage experience. And it feels so good. The O Susan S. Experience the Zen moment with a personalized spot massage. O Susan redefines the Cashin message. Equipped with a 3D dual massage mechanism, allows for personality, height adjustment. Oh, treat ourselves to the luxury of a custom massage. O Suzanne uses scientific design to provide a deeply relaxing massage experience. The 4-to-4 massage notes travel along the counters of the neck, shoulders, and full back to replicate the experience of a professional human like massage. We can target so many shiatsu points on our backside, and this device will help these targets to make a better health status of yourself. We have shiatsu massage therapy, an S-wave curve design, and an air gauzy material. Awesome. And we can make a customizable and easy to adjust setting. It fits body heights from 1 inches to 3 inches. These are 150 centimeters up to 185. These are standard measurements of the human body out there. We have a 3D dual massage mechanism and height adjustment function. Ensure comfort for different kinds of people. Versatility allows us to personalize our massage experience, targeting achy spots and relieving localized muscle pain. Take control of our health and well-being. And safety-oriented intelligent heating technologies built in. The heated massage better experience and keep warm and comfortable all the massage time. Infrared heating technology that emits rapid heating effect at a constant temperature of 113 degrees Fahrenheit. We can enjoy massage while heating or simply heating during the freezing days. Oh, we have detachable intensity control cover. We can choose strong or gentle mode for our neck. We can have a removable gauzy fashion. Sit more comfortable on the removable cushion. Then we have PU leather, sweat-proof and easy to clean. And cotton and linen fabric, durable and scratch resistant. All this is possible on so many furnitures. Take a breath during an intense workday. Relax your body thoroughly at home. Oh, yo. And it's so nice. It is silent. You will not hear the engine or the motors which are using the NAIPO Shiatsu back and neck massager because they are so silent. It is so easy. You have to connect the power cord, then strapping the system, and then you can start to have a nice shiatsu massage. Oh, really easy. That's easy to adjust and so relaxing. That is from NAIPO Find Well-Being. Oh yeah. Awesome, easy, godlike massage. Delicious, and it's for your better health care. You have a neck, a shoulder, and a full back area and a waist area. And you will get all what you need. You have a massager, a cushion, and a wall adapter. And of course, a remote control panel. The neck massager with heating points are in the upper side. The neck shoulder massage zone is on the upper side. You have a back massager with heating points and full back massage zone. Oh, you have a remote control and a cushion for the to sit on it. Then on the back side, you have a handle design, strapping system for better mobile, then remote storage bag and an adapter storage bag. That means it is full equipped with this, or you are full equipped with this NAIPO neck and full back massager. Isn't it awesome? Yes, it is. So, let's perform it. We are going to use the remote control. The remote control is set up with the power on and off button on the upper left side. Then you have a timer function on the right upper side, 10, 20 and 30 minutes. Then you can switch between neck massage on the left side, back massage on the right side, and in the center it's the outer massage. And if you're pushing that buttons, 3, neck massage on off, back massage on off, outer massage on off, and to make it off, that the back massage device will not work anymore, you have to push it for 2 seconds. The same is with the neck massage. If you go to auto massage on off, then it will perform the automatic massage. If you switch to neck or back massage and go direction up or down, you can adjust the height of the neck massage and back massage areas. Then you can choose on the left upper bottom side the heating button, high, low or off. This will switch on and adjust the temperature setup of your heating function. And on the right bottom side you can see the speed setup, high, medium or low. It's really easy. First step is press the neck massage, then long press direction up and down and set up for your body height. The second thing is heating, press the heating button, chip, and job's done. If you finished with the massage, press the power button and it comes to an end. That's easy and it's so healthy. It will gains you to a new body feeling experience. This is the NAIPO Shiatsu back and neck massager. Deep kneading. Oh yeah, like a professional. Massage cushion with heat. Height adjustable back massager for pain and stress relief. Oh, it's a massage chair and it's a pad for home, for office, and where somewhere you like to do this as a health status upgrade thing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.